Is it time to buy or sell Target stock? In this video, we will explore Target in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 24th of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since January 22, 2025, our system has categorized Target as a hold or accumulate, resulting in a score of negative 0.61. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen natural fluctuations with an increase of 1.56%. This equates to an average return of 0.52% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $139.19 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but it could also signal the first indication of a trend change. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 10.41% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from minus 28.18% to minus 9.56%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential decline of 12.54% over the next year, with a possible return between minus 25.25% and 0.92%. This translates to a price range of $103.07 to $139.16 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Target includes the headline, Target stock price up nearly 0.5% on Friday. The Target stock price gained nearly 0.5% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 24th of January, 2025. The price rose from $137.25 to $137.89. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.64%, with a low of $136.66 and a high of $138.90. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has experienced a slight decline of 0.24%. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 660,000 shares, with a total of 6 million shares exchanged for approximately $800,700,000. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $181.86, while the lowest was $120.21. Currently, the price is 24.18%, or $43.97, below the 52-week high, and 48.74%, or $131.09, below the all-time high on the 15th of November, 2021, when the price peaked at $268.98. Target Corporation, a notable dividend king, continues to navigate a challenging retail environment marked by changes in consumer behavior and economic pressures. Recently, Target reported that its foot traffic increased by 2% over the crucial holiday season, indicating a slight recovery in customer engagement, which could bode well for short-term revenue trends. However, the retailer is also making significant adjustments by rolling back its diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives in light of an evolving market landscape. This strategic shift aligns Target with recent trends seen in other major retailers like Walmart and Meta, as companies reassess their commitments to DEI in response to broader societal and economic factors. While some may view this as a potential risk to corporate reputation, it could also streamline operations and costs in the long term. Despite facing discount pressures and a recent dip in stock price, analysts suggest that Target remains a compelling investment, particularly given its consistent track record of annual dividend increases. This resilience could attract income-focused investors and provide support for the stock in the long run. As macroeconomic conditions improve, including alleviation of inflationary pressures, Target stock could experience upward momentum, benefiting from both its attractive valuation and growing consumer confidence. Overall, these developments may signal a complex but potentially favorable outlook for Target stock in 2025. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned TGT a market perform rating along with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 25th of November, 2024, Oppenheimer rated TGT as outperform and also issued a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, BMO Capital gave TGT a market perform rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, Jefferies assigned TGT a buy rating along with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, Wells Fargo also rated TGT as market perform and recommended a hold. Analysts have given Target stock a general neutral rating. They rate the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Target. Today, the stock is presenting mixed signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, and so far, it has decreased by 2.63%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly referred to as MACD. Despite this, Target stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $135.66 and $134.81. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains, which has created a divergence between volume and price. This may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 10 days ago. Bollinger Bands presented a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages issued a buy signal 15 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also signaled a buy 44 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Target. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level, with accumulated volume at $130.50 and $121.76. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this scenario, Target finds support just below today's level at $130.50. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $121.76 and $121.59. Generally, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.24 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 1.64%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.94%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Target, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could suggest a low expectation for the company's future or indicate that the stock is undervalued, which may present a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 3rd of March, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Target. In the event of an upward trend, The first resistance level for Target is $141.62. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportunity to think about swing trading. On the downside, Target faces its first support level at $130.50. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point with expectations of a rebound. The combined average rating for Target from multiple analyst sources is neutral. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 30th of September, 2024, when Lee James conducted an insider purchase of 44,747 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $132.29, reflecting a decline of 4.06%. This stock experiences very low daily movements, which translates to minimal risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is Target stock a good buy? Target shows several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate while we wait for further developments. After analyzing the volatility and price movements for the most recent trading day, our system suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 27th of January, we anticipate that Target will open lower by approximately 7.33 cents, starting the trading day at $137.82. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly encourage you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decision. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.